Good evening. Tonight I'm at Rockley Furnace and Engine House. I've come to do bits and bobs, see if I get anything. And if I do get anything, I'll let you know. Right, so my first one back at Rockley for a while. I'm hoping to get something because it's not a particularly spooky place, or I don't think it is. I'll soon find out. I'm going to set up first of all in the engine house, see if I get anything. Set up some audio and some K2. I'll have a nosy, see what's happening. Right, so tonight I'm going to start off with K2. If there's anybody here, could you touch my hand, touch the green light, make the green light change to red or orange? Could you do that? All you have to do is tap it. I want you to do that. Could you come forward if there's anybody here? Anybody that used to work here? Anybody that's visited here and simply passing by? Are you here? Right, if there's anybody here, could you touch the green light in front of me? Touch the green light on the little black box. Could you do that? Come forward. I've been a few times and never really seen anything. Could you prove there is something here? Or there is some kind of energy? Come forward and make contact, please. Did you used to work here? Come forward, please, and make contact. Stand right in front of me and touch the little black box with a green light on. You've probably not seen one before, but it won't hurt you. Could you do that, please? Could you come forward? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Is there a reason that you're hanging back? Would you like me to go? Am I disturbing you? Right, I'm going to set up some audio, I think. Okay, could you talk to me, please, through the box? What's your name? My name's Andrew. I'm only going to keep these audio sessions really short because that's really loud. Okay, in front of you, or in front of me, there's a light. I'm going to take that light away. Could you copy that if I move it away from the machine? Right, so I've got the loud, annoying audio high up, and I've got the K2 a little lower down. Are you trying to talk? Is that a gentleman? Are you one of the former workers? What's your name? Right, plan B, because apparently my dictaphone files are full. The only way you can communicate with me now is by the green light on the wall. Could you touch it, please? I think you were trying to talk to me earlier. Could you do that? I think I heard a man's voice. Is that right? Please come through. Are you still here? That weren't anything spooky. That was just my breath. Come through, please. Right, so that's the engine house. Just on a short session in there. That's hard to say. Short session. And we're just going to make it now to the furnace. Again, I don't think I'm getting much tonight, but we'll soon find out. It's not a mega spooky place. It's obviously still quite early and there's a lot of traffic. There should be a bench up here somewhere that I've sat on before, on a little bridge. Ooh, little bench there. fact, right, I might do a quick calling out here. Just 2 seconds. Just a short one. Right, could you come forward please and sit with me on the bench? This is the only way I can talk to you tonight. Is that okay? Could you come and sit on the bench and touch the green light please? Could you do that? Come and sit with me. Come and talk to me. You can tell me anything you want. Did you used to work here? Have you passed through here before? Is this one of your favourite places? Right, so I've run out of dictaphone space, so what I'm going to do is change of plan. You're going to have to, tonight you're going to have to try and help me because I'm struggling tonight. I'm going to put this near the camera so it obviously picks something up hopefully. Could you say your name into that little box on the floor? My name's Andy. What's your name? Say it again please. Are you trying to come through? Is this the gentleman that was talking to me earlier? Come on, just say your name. Or say anything. If you've got a message, come and tell me. Would you like me to leave? Am I okay to stay? I'm getting bits and bobs over there. I don't know till I get home. I'm hoping the phone's going to pick them up. I need you to be really clear tonight, really clear and concise, and try and meet me halfway because I'm going to struggle tonight. Could you touch the green light if you come and sit next to me? Or talk to me? Are you one of the workers? Right, I'm going to walk across the bridge and actually go to the furnace and try and set up there. Are you going to come with me to the furnace? Right, so the furnace. Again, just a very short one tonight. Short little sessions because I'm struggling to put anything together because my gear's packing up for some reason. Little bridge, if you can hear the water, makes you want to go toilet. It's lovely out here though. Don't know how fresh the water is, but it's nice. Right. Off to the furnace. So again, as I say, little short session in here, I think. Obviously, probably just a visual. That's again nothing spooky, that's just my breath because it is getting quite cold. I'm going to sit up here and I'll see if I get anything. Right. Come on then. If you want to talk to me, you can talk to me. Push the green light, please. On the floor. Are you trying to talk to the little box, the noisy machine? Say your name. If you want me to turn the noisy machine off because you touched the green light. Touch the green light on the little box and I'll turn the machine off. Is it annoying you? It's annoying me, I want to switch it off. Is that better? Is that better now the little noisy machine's gone? Is that better for you? Again, it's one of them places that I don't think it's particularly spooky, to be honest. It's an interesting place, but I don't think it's very scary. Come and prove me wrong. See, this would have been the furnace in its day. People say they've seen lights or orbs going up through what would be the chimney. You can see stars, but no orbs. Come on, come through and talk to me. Have you got a message for anybody? Right, I'm just going to take you for a quick wander around here. Oops, so it's quite a place, it's quite impressive. It would have been in its day. And apart from the noise of the traffic, it's quite a uneventful night. It's quite calm tonight. The moon's out, it's lovely. Perfect. Right, so that's it. Quite an uneventful evening at Rockley. But I thought I'd share it because, you know, you might find it of interest. Like I say, nothing much, but that's how it is. When you do these kind of things, sometimes you get loads and sometimes you get nothing. But thank you for watching, and I will hopefully see you very soon. Thank you.